Hey, Max, your phone just went off, man.
Oh. And throw out the counter. Morning. Congrats, open escrow. Market's moving right now.
Okay, I am up in El Cerrito, which is the college area. It is not staying on too well, is it? I'm up in El Cerrito, college area, right off University Ave, and I'm out here to shoot a video for a new listing that's about to go live very soon. We also have some really great listings that are active right now within the last week. A 1-bed, 1-bath in La Mesa. It's a really great investment opportunity. And another really great listing in Scripps Ranch as well. So if you guys are interested in any of those, they are still active as of today. And I'm gonna put this mask back on and go shoot some video footage. Decided to come out, do some hill sprints today. What's up, guys? I am in Birdland, which is a very mysterious, magical place. No, it's a neighborhood right just north of Mission Valley. And it's in, you can say Claremont, you can say Serra Mesa, but I like to use the hourglass analogy. If the 8 is the southern end of the hourglass, the 52 will be the northern end of the hourglass, and where the 15 and the 163 cross is the center. So Birdland is just above Mission Valley and just like the southern end of the intersection of that hourglass. It's a terrible analogy, but this is it. Waiting on my clients right now, and we'll go in and take a look in just a sec.
You're one of a kind. One of a kind. One of a kind. Doesn't mean